Hello teacher and the classmate. My name is Mauricio Fernando Arce Monsalve. I am a system engineer student is in my series cheat car. My life the guitar I practice and my inspire team de today. I with about my experience and my vacation in Cachipai, Cundinamarca. Is a very retired municipality and from the Fusa to 4 from the tablet is school at 20 or from the Santander. Its rivers are called it you can bite. There are fruities trees. Recommendation to go. The municipality must wear a jacket, a blanket, boat, and in case of the energies, carry cell phone, the phone you can camp or outdoor, but in much big with the shelter you can carry or the photo camera or the jacket pinture for the coke. Thank, thank you. I go to I go to the share on the part of the infographic park. The I trip experience in Cundinamarca at the Tag Hill Santander 20 of my experience on this trip did you on that the city of the Cundinamarca that is municipality reaches the terminal of the capital where it is very dark. Let's go to Cachipai is a municipality very remote from the capital. We are on an excursion where my companion approached the window of the exit of the municipality and the court comprende the tickets were called on above that was going to the municipality. The trip lasted 2 hours were placed by using there were relay the municipality. Thank you. Bye.